Hey everyone, welcome back to Trend Tech Guide. Want to trim your YouTube video even after it's uploaded? No worries, YouTube Studio makes it super easy. Just head to studio.youtube.com, sign in, and from the left menu, click Content. Choose the video you want to trim, then click Editor from the left sidebar. Now hit the Trim and Cut option below the preview. Use the blue handles to select the part you want to keep. You can trim from the start or end, or even click Split to cut out a middle portion. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. It might take a few minutes to process, but your trimmed video will be live without losing views, likes, or comments. If this quick tip helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more smart creator hacks like this.